What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video. Today I am unboxing the VIVO X200 Ultra. I don't actually know what's inside in terms of colour, but I'll get to the reason why soon. Let's go. So yeah, elephant in the room. I have ordered 3 VIVO X200 Ultras, and hear me out, I've ordered a red one, I've ordered a silver one, in 1/2 terabyte of storage versions, mainly because I can't decide on paper or on images which I prefer, so I figured order both and take it from there. I've ordered a third one, which is a red 1 terabyte with photography kit. Now, in a previous video, I was, for the first time in my life, I assume, wrong. I said in that video that there is no bundle box with the 1 terabyte and the photography kit. This bundle box was for creators and reviewers only. Well, yeah, that was nonsense. My supplier told me pretty much straight after posting that video, no, we can get you one. So, they are limited, and to be clear, the price is not included with the kit. So it's not like you buy the 1 terabyte version and get a free kit that a lot of people were telling me, and I just called it bullshit. It is simply the cost of the kit plus the cost of the 1 terabyte added together, but in a box. So I will have that on the store in the next couple of days. So I've got 2 red ones and a silver, kind of grated silver. So we'll see which one's here. It's one of the 1/2 terabyte versions. But also, I have not been this excited for a smartphone, candy bar smartphone, in a long time. The Oppo N5 was the last time I was this excited, and if the X200 Ultra is anything like the N5 in terms of a daily user, man, this will be a good one, because this N5 is just, yeah, awesome. And FYI, for those asking, this is the official Oppo Carbon MagSafe case, and you can buy it on the Average Dad Tech Store. And you can also buy this on the Average Dad Tech Store. Anyway, let's quickly get the unboxing done, and I will be doing copious content on this phone. So while you're only getting an unboxing just now, stay tuned to the channel where I will probably have daily, if not twice daily, content on the X200 Ultra, because this phone just ticks every single box for me. And with that photography kit that I might use once or twice, it ticks some boxes too. Now, like every VIVO device and most Chinese devices, you get everything you want in the box. Now, we will put the phone to the side, and again, it's still a bit of a surprise as to what colour it is, if it'll let me take it out of the box. Come on, fella. There we go. I really don't want to look at the colour, although I can see the rails, which means I kind of know what colour it is. Ooh. Oh, and now you definitely know what colour it is, because the colour matched case. Yes, I have the red 1/2 terabyte version, and the case is super premium looking and feeling. This is essentially a supermassive black hole size camera bump, and I am all fucking for it. I said that about the X8 Ultra. Actually, give me 1 second.
One eternity later.
Here is the X8 Ultra. Here is the case. Look at that. Look how much space there's still in there. Oh, this is going to be so good. So yeah, colour match case inside with your cutouts and buttons, and see the new camera control cutout. Ooh. Now, USB, let's just check the, yeah, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and what I assume is a 100-watt charging brick. Yeah, my eyes are not good enough to read that, but you'll be able to see. I think it's a 100-watt charging brick included, plus your SIM ejection tool. So let's pop that off to the side just now. And now for the big boy. So excited. So Vivo have their little tear strip thing here. Ah, well, they did, but I've just ruined it. That's okay. Wabba! Oh yeah, no, that's fucking gorgeous. That red is delightful. With the black, I'll be honest, I did say that the V3 with like the brownish leather and rose gold looked super nice and I wanted it on this phone. Now seeing this, nah, this is amazing. The red and black obviously go together really well. It's not a textured back, it is obviously smooth, but you do have the case included for a bit more grip. But it's almost like a matte red. It's so nice. Like Samsung had a red S22 Ultra, I believe, and it's not that red. This is one of the nicest reds I've seen in a phone. Anyway, I've said the word red too much. Let me just juice this bad boy up, and while I'm doing that, look at this camera bump. Holy flirkin' schnitt. That is a massive camera bump. Since I've got it here, we'll just compare X8 Ultra, VIVO X200 Ultra. Look at the difference. And then side profile wise, let's do this properly. Oh yeah, that is... yeah, there's really no comparison. And rightly so. Vivo are not only doing this for looks, they are doing it mainly for functionality. With the camera kit that I've mentioned I will have soon and I will do a video on, and the larger sensors in here. This has that 200 megapixel sensor. It's got the Sony IMX near 1 inch sensor on the main and ultra wide camera. This is the largest and fastest aperture ultra wide on the planet, folks. Hence why your camera bump is slightly larger than some planets. So, in terms of the rest of the phone, 6.82 inch, Quad HD display, Origin OS, because this is a Chinese version, I will link below, or you can find it on the channel, my China ROM versus global ROM video. But very, very quickly, I have had a few people back in the day with the VIVO X Fold 3 Pro that get stuck on this screen. It's all in Chinese. I know it's not the most obvious to some, but this is a drop-down menu. This is where you get the rest of your languages. Origin OS comes with a few, but when you set up the Google Play Store, which I've shown you how to do numerous times, you will then get a whole host of more languages to choose from. So that is literally it for now. I hate to blue ball you too much. I'm going to get this phone set up and I'll be back tomorrow with my first impressions and all the other content as the week goes on. I am going to love this phone. I can tell you already. And for those that have pre-ordered, shipping starts on the 5th of May. I may be able to get some members' phones out slightly before that, but 5th of May, shipping will start. You'll receive your tracking number on the 5th or 6th. Yeah, hopefully this has just added to your excitement even more, because this is, yeah, this is nice. Until next time. That way or that way? That way's swearing, that way's peace. Until next time. Bye, folks.